Meaning of extreme fighting.
Extreme fighting.
Extreme fighting.
Extreme fighting.
Extreme fighting. Extreme fighting is a full-contact combat sport that combines elements of various martial arts, including kickboxing, wrestling, and jiu-jitsu. The goal of the sport is to defeat your opponent using a variety of striking and grappling techniques. Fighters are allowed to use their fists, feet, knees, elbows, and grappling moves to take down their opponent. The result of an extreme fighting match can be a knockout or submission, where one fighter has been incapacitated or forced to tap out due to a joint lock or chokehold applied by the other fighter.